if you're going to use Accubattery to find out your battery health. The problem, it's not really a problem, but to use it properly, you have to run through a few charge cycles. You can see I've done 2 charging sessions, and so it's estimating my battery health at 96% on this Fire tablet. All you have to do is click again on the health button on the bottom, and then you just check the levels that they have. Here on my Samsung, so I got this tablet 9 months ago, this Fire tablet, but this Samsung A7 I got like, trying to think 6 or 7 months ago. You can see after doing 4 charge sessions, it's showing that it only has 85%. I don't know if that's truly accurate, because this is only, what's it called? This tablet's only 7 months old. Or the battery might be going on out of it because I use it too much. It's hard to tell. So if you're going to use Accubattery, you have to go through a few charge cycles for it to estimate what your battery health is. So this one's been through 4 sessions, and it's showing that it's 85%.